Question. Have you heard of something called sleep sales technology? If you're looking to start an online business, then pay close attention because what I'm about to share with you is the key to making everything work. So, just what is sleep sales technology? Well, the short answer is that it's technology that allows you to make sales and commissions while you sleep. But I'm sure you already guessed that by the name, lol smiley face. The full answer goes like this. If you want to make commissions online, then the idea is simple. You're going to need to send traffic, website visitors, to a web page that offers a product that the traffic is hopefully interested in buying. But there's just one problem with this. The truth of the matter is that it often takes seeing an offer, product, 5, 10, even 20 times before someone will buy it. This means that if you only have one chance to sell them, you're doomed to failure. But if you have a system that can follow up with them for months, and can do so while you sleep, then your likelihood of success gets much better. That's what sleep sales technology is all about. The ability to send professionally written follow-up messages that offer high-converting products to people who have expressed interest. And that's where the 12-minute affiliate system comes in. Normally, setting a system up from scratch would require months of work, thousands of dollars, and lots of knowledge. But you won't have to struggle with any of that. Because with our system, you could have everything up and running before you go to bed tonight. So, are you ready to use the power of sleep sales technology in your business and life? If so, just go here to get started. See you on the inside. Click link in the description.